Good morning, dear students. Electrochemistry, easy way to calculate specific and molar conductance, kappa and capital lambda m. What is the problem given? The resistance of a conductivity cell is measured as 190 ohm using 0.1 m KCl solution. So, one potassium chloride solution is given whose specific conductance of 0.1 KCl, 1 m KCl is 1.3 Siemens meter per minus 1. This is about KCl solution. Now, when the same cell is filled with 0.003 m sodium chloride solution, the measured resistance is 6.3 kilo ohm. This is for sodium chloride solution. Both these measurements are made at a particular temperature. Calculate the specific and molar conductance of NaCl, sodium chloride. Now I divide the whole problem into two parts. One is potassium chloride part, another one is sodium chloride part. We have to calculate the kappa and lambda m value for sodium chloride only. Now, what are the values are given for potassium chloride solution? Our right, the resistance R is given equal to 190 ohm. Concentration of potassium chloride is 0.1 molar. Specific conductance kappa equal to 1.3 Siemens meter power minus 1. These values are given for potassium chloride solution. For sodium chloride solution, the concentration value given is 0.003 molar, that is equal to 3 into 10 power minus 3 molarity. And R value is also given 6.3 kilo ohm. We can convert into ohm 6.3 into 10 power 3 ohm. What are the values are asked? Our question is calculate kappa, specific conductance and molar conductance. For NaCl we have to calculate. Kappa formula we know 1 by R into L by A. R value we know, but we don't know L by A, cell constant value. That cell constant value, L by A value can be calculated from potassium chloride. Because these two are connected, a cell constant, a cell is a constant, potassium chloride and NaCl electrolyte is only changed, so cell is same for KCl and NaCl, cell constant is same for both the solution. Now I take KCl solution and calculate the cell constant value. Specific conductance kappa equal to specific conductance. So, specific conductance kappa is equal to 1 by R into cell constant L by A. For potassium chloride solution, our K value is given, R value we know, we can calculate L by A. L by A is equal to, bring the R value to the left hand side, kappa into R. What is the kappa value? 1.3 into R value is 190 ohm. We can multiply these two. 19 into 13 is multiple. 3 into 9 are 27, remaining 2, 3 into 1 equal to 3, 57. 1 9 is 9, and 1 into 1 equal to 1. When we add 7, 14, 2. So what is the answer here? 247. 247. What is the unit of cell constant? Meter power minus 1. This is L by A. Using this L by A, we can calculate the specific conductance and molar conductance of NaCl solution. So our sodium chloride solution, now we are going to calculate specific conductance. First, kappa value. We know the formula. The specific conductance, kappa is equal to 1 by R into L by A. 1 by R into L by A. Now, that is equal to 1 by R value for sodium chloride given is 6.3 into 10 power 3 into L by A we have calculated as 247. Now, kappa is equal to 247 by, now I convert this 6.3 into the whole number 63. So, into 10 power minus 1, isn't it? 10 power minus 1. Already we have 10 power 3. Now, I cancel these two quantity. That is 9th table. 7 9s are 63. When we cancel in 24, how many 9s we get? 2 9s are 18. Remaining 6 is 67. 7 9s are 63. Remaining 4 40. 4 9s are 36. Remaining 4 40. 4 9s are 36. And 1 7 is 7. 3 7s are 21. Remaining 1 14. 3 7s are 21. Remaining 6 is 64. 9 7s are 63. Remaining 1 14. 2 7s are 14. 10 power 3, 10 power minus 1 becomes 10 power 2. Bring that 10 power 2 to the numerator. So, kappa specific conductance for NaCl solution is 3.92 into 10 power minus 2 Siemens meter power minus 1. Now, we have to calculate the molar conductance value of NaCl. Molar conductance. So, molar conductance, capital lambda m equal to, what is the formula? Kappa into 10 power minus 3 divided by molarity, concentration is molarity, Siemens meter square mole power minus 1. Kappa value we have calculated 10 power minus 3 divided by m value given in our problem, easy calculation, that is equal to 3.92 into 10 power minus 2 is the kappa value into, we have one more 10 power minus 3 divided by, the concentration value given in our problem is 3 into 10 power minus 3. Easy cancellation. 10 power minus 3, 10 power minus 3 get cancelled. 1 3 is 3. 1.3 here 1.3 0 20 6 3s are 18 and goes on. So, what is the molar conductance? Capital lambda m equal to, the answer is 1.306 into 10 power minus 2, unit is Siemens meter square mole power minus 1. So, in this video we calculated the specific conductance and molar conductance of sodium chloride with the help of potassium chloride solution. Thank you for watching. If you like in any places, subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.
Today I am going to make a new video, so please whatever. Please I want to reach 1 million likes. So please sarapakara. Yes. Okay, thank you.